Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add Tapo camera to Alexa and Echo Show. So in order to do it, you first need to open the Tapo application, then go to the Me section. In the Me section, you just have to select the voice control option and then select Amazon Alexa to follow the further guidelines in order to successfully add it. You also have the second option in which you just have to open the Amazon Alexa application. Then to add the Tapo device, you just have to simply refer to the details instructions that are given on this page. Like first you need to open your Amazon Alexa application, then you need to tap on the more that would be in the lower right corner of the screen. After that, select the skills and the games option. So this will look something like this. Then you just have to simply click on the magnifying glass in the upper right hand corner in order to search for Tapo, like this. Then you just have to simply tap on Tapo once you are able to find it in the search result. Once done, you just have to simply tap on the enable button that will look something like this. So you need to tap on enable to use. Then you need to log in into your TP link with your TP link ID that has bound to your Tapo device and tap authorize. After the authorized successfully, the message Tapo has been successfully linked will come up. Now close the window to go to the next step. So you can also view it in this screenshots. So this is how you can easily set up the Amazon Alexa and Echo Show. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.